A very good morning, students. I am Rama Devi, working as a chemistry faculty in Target English Medium School at Tadipatri. Yes, today I am going to discuss about this video for 9th class students. Already we started the chapter Atoms and Molecules. In this chapter, today I am going to discuss about the atomicity. What is meant by atomicity and what is the classification of in that? What is meant by atomicity? So what is meant by atomicity means the number of atoms presented in a molecule is known as its atomicity. The number of atoms presented in a molecule is known as its atomicity. Means a molecule holds how many atoms, or a molecule contains how many atoms. That number is known as its atomicity. Means that molecule atomicity. Are you understand? For example, this is a molecule. This molecule contains how many atoms? That number is called this molecule atomicity. Are you understand? So what is meant by atomicity means the number of atoms present in a molecule. Is known as its atomicity. The number of atoms presented in a molecule is known as its atomicity. As you understand. So, the atomicity can be classified into different types based on depending upon the number of atoms presented in a molecule. The atomicity is different types of classification depend upon the number of atoms presented in a molecule. That is nothing but monatomic molecules, monatomic molecules, diatomic molecules, and triatomic molecules, tetratomic molecules, pentatomic molecules, hexatomic molecules, and more than penta means we can say polyatomic molecules. More than 5 we can say what we can call polyatomic molecules. Poly means more than 5. We can say from this onwards we can call as polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules. So what is the meant by atomicity? We can clearly know about the how many atoms are presented in a molecule. That number is known as atomicity of a molecule. Atomicity of a molecule. For your information, I will say how many atoms are presented. Based on that number, we can classify the atomicity into different types. One is monoatomic molecules, 2 is diatomic molecule, and 3 is triatomic molecule. 4 is tetratomic molecule, 5 is penta, and 6 also we can say hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, nonane, and 10 deca. But we can say after 5 we can write as polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules. Now I can say that for monoatomic molecules examples are. So what is meant by monoatomic molecules? One by one I will explain. Okay. First one is mono. So what is meant by monoatomic molecules means a mono means already I will say a single, only one atom is presented in this molecule. This type of molecules are known as monoatomic molecules. Only one atom is presented. Only one atom is presented. Only one atom is present in monoatomic molecules. In monoatomic molecules. Are you understand? molecules means the molecules which contain only one atom. Those are known as monoatomic molecules. Only one atom. It contains only one atom. Examples are sodium, argon, neon, helium, and any one atom, nitrogen, and etc. Only one atom is contained. This type of molecules are contain only one atom. This type of molecules are known as monoatomic molecules. Monoatomic molecules. Next, diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules nothing but the molecules which contain two atoms. Two either same atoms or different types of atoms. The molecules which contain two same or different types. The molecules which contain two same or different atoms are known as diatomic molecules. Are known as diatomic molecules. Are known as diatomic molecules. Examples are O2, N2, F2, NO, and etc. These are same types. It is different type. Have you understand? So what are diatomic molecules? Nothing but the molecules which contain two atoms. Either same type of atoms or different types of atoms are known as diatomic molecules. Here I say examples. O2 is oxygen molecule, nitrogen molecule, fluorine molecule. These are diatomic molecules which contain the same atoms. But NO, nitrogen oxide, is a molecule which is considered as a diatomic molecule, but having the different atoms. Two are, one is nitrogen, another one is oxygen. So this is monoatomic and diatomic. Next, triatomic. This is very important for 4 marks question. What is atomicity? And explain with suitable examples. That is the direct question for 4 marks. Next, triatomic molecules. Next, which one? Triatomic molecules. The molecules which contain three same or different types of atoms. The molecules which contain three same or different types of atoms are known as triatomic molecules. The molecules which contain three same or different types of atoms are known as triatomic molecules. Examples are O3 is the same type, N2O is a different type, CO2 is also a different type, and etc. So it is a triatomic, both are different types of atoms, but O3 is the same type of atoms. Okay. Next, number 4. Tetraatomic molecules. Tetra means 4. You remember remember, tri means 3, di means 2, mono means 1. Tetra means how many? 4. Tetraatomic molecules. Same definition. The molecules which contain 4 same or different types of atoms are known as tetraatomic molecules. So same or different types of atoms. Are known as tetraatomic molecules. Are known as tetraatomic molecules. Are known as tetraatomic molecules. Examples are P4 is the same type, P4 and inside atomic molecule you will write the H2 also. Here you will write the H2O2 is a tetra. H2O2 is nothing but hydrogen peroxide. For any injuries are there, any wound is there, in hospitals they are cleared with water. That is nothing but hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, formula H2O2 and everything. See there, P4 is a same tetraatomic molecule, but H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide, formula H2O2. But there H2O is also example for the triatomic molecules. Okay. Now pentaatomic molecules and polyatomic molecules. Penta means how many? 5. Pentaatomic molecules. Penta means 5. Penta means 5. The molecules which contain 5 atoms. Pentaatomic molecules. Examples are CaCO3. Okay, CaCO3. Calcium is 1 atom. 2 plus 3 5. 5 atoms. Okay, and also MgCO3 and Na2CO3. Sorry, this is the hexaatomic molecules. Etc. CaCO3 and HgCO3, calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Those are examples for pentaatomic molecules. And not only more than 5, more than 4 also we can write as a polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules. Poly means not we can say exact number of. Poly means more number of atoms. The molecules which contain the more number of atoms, maximum we can say more than 5 or 4. More than 5 or 4. The type of molecules are known as polyatomic molecules. You remember the poly, meaning of poly is a more number of atoms. More number of atoms. We can say examples are, yes, see. And H2SO4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. Now I will write the Na2CO3. Okay. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 atoms are presented in its molecule. In its molecule 6. In its molecule 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. In its molecule 6 atoms are presented. Not only these are, a number of are there. Okay. PCl5 is also example for polyatomic molecules. PCl5. Phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus pentachloride. These are examples for polyatomic molecules. Once again I explain. So what is meant by atomicity and what is the classification of means? The number of atoms presented in a molecule is known as its atomicity. Based on the number of atoms, we can divide it into 4 different types of 5 types. 1 is monoatomic, 2 is triatomic, 2 is diatomic, 3 is triatomic, 4 is tetra, and 5 is penta, and also poly, we can say. Okay. Monoatomic means it contains only one atom. Example, argon, neon, xenon, radon, helium, most of the noble gases. Most of the noble gases. Okay. So second is diatomic molecules, O2, F2, N2. These are contain only 2 atoms. Not only in the same types of atoms and also in the different types of atoms. But triatomic molecules means those are containing the 3 atoms, either same or different types. Same example is O3. Different example is H2O, CO2, N2O, and etc. Tetraatomic molecule means containing 4 atoms. Either same is example P4 and different is nothing but H2O2 and etc. H2O3 is also called as hydrogen peroxide. And next, not only we cannot write this one directly, you write poly also. Okay, poly means more number of atoms are presented in a molecule, nothing but more than 4. Example CaCO3, MgCO3, Mg2CO3 and etc. It is atomicity and its classification.